Are your mornings chaotic, rummaging through clothes, hunting for a missing shoe, and running late? You're not alone. In one survey, 1 in 10 people regularly arrive late to work because they couldn't find something to wear, and 15% said that this morning scramble ruins their mood for the entire day. It's frustrating to start the day stressed out by your closet. Now imagine the opposite, a neat, calming closet where everything you need is at your fingertips. No stress, no rush, just a peaceful morning routine setting a positive tone for your day. Sounds amazing, right? Stick around, because today we're sharing proven closet organization tips to make that serene morning a reality. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to transform your closet, no matter how busy you are, into an organized oasis that saves you time and energy each day. Before we get into the how-to, let's talk about why this matters. An organized closet isn't just about looks. It's about your time, stress levels, and mindset. Consider this. The average person spends about 17 minutes each morning deciding what to wear, which adds up to 4 whole days every year spent just picking outfits. All those lost minutes contribute to what experts call decision fatigue, a mental drain that can sap your energy and hinder productivity before you even get to work. Starting your day with a clear, quick choice instead of an internal debate frees up brain power for more important tasks. On the flip side, simply having an organized space helps reduce stress and anxiety. In other words, an orderly closet can literally help you feel calmer. Think of it as self-care for your environment. When your surroundings are in order, your mind can be more at ease. There's even evidence that organization saves serious time. One study found 67% of people believe they could save up to 30 minutes each day if they were more organized. For someone with a packed schedule, an extra 20-30 minutes every morning is huge. Time for a proper breakfast, a quick workout, or simply a moment of peace. No wonder 3 in 10 women say an organized closet would make their mornings less stressful. Less stress, more time, better mood. That's the promise of an organized closet. Bottom line, an organized closet sets you up for a calm and efficient morning. It helps you get out the door faster and in a better headspace. Now let's turn that vision into reality with some actionable tips. Step 1. Declutter your closet. The first and most important step is decluttering, removing the excess so you're left with what you actually use and love. If your closet is overflowing, it's working against you. In fact, studies estimate that 80% of our clothes are only worn 20% of the time. By paring down, you'll make room for the items that make you feel great and simplify your choices each day. How to declutter? Empty it out. Start by taking everything out of your closet. Yes, everything. Pile it on your bed or floor. This might be messy, but it gives you a fresh slate and lets you see exactly what you have. Sort into piles. Create 4 piles or boxes: keep, donate, sell, trash, and seasonal storage. Be honest with yourself. When was the last time you wore it? Does it still fit and suit your style? If you haven't worn something in a year, it's a good candidate to let go. Keep the best, release the rest. For the keep pile, choose clothes that make you feel confident, that you wear regularly, or that have a clear purpose in your life. In the donate, sell pile, place items in good condition that you no longer need. Someone else can enjoy them. Anything damaged beyond repair or very worn goes in trash or recycling. Seasonal items can be put in a seasonal pile to store elsewhere, so they're not cluttering your everyday space. Clean and assess your space. With the closet empty, give it a quick clean. Wipe down shelves, vacuum or sweep the floor, and maybe repaint or freshen up the space if needed. As you do this, think about how you want your closet to function for you. Visualize opening it each morning with everything organized and visible. This vision will motivate you to put back only what supports that goal. Motivation tip. Keep in mind that a decluttered closet doesn't just feel better, it can even save you money and guilt. One survey found the average closet held around $550 worth of unworn clothing. Instead of leaving those unworn pieces to clutter up your space, you can donate them or sell them and free yourself from the burden of clutter. So as you declutter, remind yourself you're gaining space, time, and peace of mind. Great job so far. Step 2. Categorize and sort your wardrobe. Now that you've whittled down your wardrobe to the essentials, it's time to organize what's left in a logical way. The key principle here is a place for everything, and like with like. Professional organizers swear by this rule. Store similar items together so it's instantly clear where to find anything. If you want a specific pair of jeans, you should know exactly which section of your closet to look in, the same spot where all your jeans live. Here's how to categorize effectively. Group by clothing type. Start sorting your hanging clothes by category. Hang all your shirts, blouses together, all the pants, jeans together, all dresses together, and so on. Within each category, you can get more granular if you like. For example, within shirts, you might separate work blouses from casual t-shirts. The idea is that when you're getting dressed, you won't be zigzagging across the closet. All options of a given type are in one section. Organize by use or occasion. Another layer of organization is by how and when you use items. Tomorrow morning, when you open your closet, you won't see a jumbled sea of clothing. You'll see a neatly arranged selection, segmented into zones that match your needs. This sense of order not only saves time, but also gives you a little mental boost. It feels satisfying to see everything in place, and you'll feel more in control. Remember, the brain loves order. It will pay it forward with a boost to mental health. As one expert put it, you're creating that order now, and your peaceful morning routine is already taking shape. If this video is giving you clarity and peace, hit the like button. It really supports the channel. And if you want more organizing tips, don't forget to subscribe and drop a comment below that says peaceful. It lets me know you're enjoying the content. Also, don't miss our free Peaceful Morning Closet checklist, a step-by-step printable guide to walk you through this process. Download link is in the description. Step 3. Maximize space with smart storage solutions. Now, let's talk about storage tools and tricks that can supercharge your closet's functionality. We're going to cover a few game-changing product recommendations. These are items we highly recommend. Check links in the description. An organized closet isn't just about what you have out, but also how you store everything. So let's look at some efficient storage tips. Slim, space-saving. Hangers. One of the easiest upgrades is swapping out chunky, mismatched hangers for a set of thin, uniform hangers. For example, velvet flocked hangers or other slim profile hangers can instantly create more room on your hanging rod. Having all your hangers the same style and color also gives a visually cleaner look. It's a quick win. Just remember not to overload to the point it gets hard to see items. Use cascading hangers in moderation for things like sets or coordinating pieces. Drawer dividers. Drawers can become black holes of disorder, socks mingling with workout tees, undies getting lost at the back. Enter drawer dividers, simple inserts that compartmentalize your drawer space. For busy parents, consider using them to organize kids' clothes by type, so it's easy for kids to pick out their outfit. The time you don't spend rummaging is time you can spend actually getting ready or enjoying your morning coffee. Plus, knowing exactly where a fresh pair of socks or that one belt is when you need it? Priceless. Over-the-door organizers. Don't overlook your door. It's prime storage real estate. An over-the-door organizer is a genius solution for items like shoes, accessories, or odds and ends. These usually come in two styles, a shoe rack or a multi-pocket organizer that can hold anything from scarves and hats to jewelry, toiletries, even kids' small toys or socks. By utilizing the door, You're effectively adding a new wall of storage without taking up extra space in the closet. For shoe lovers, this is a must. It gets all those shoes off the floor and neatly paired in pockets or on racks where you can see them. Clear storage bins for extras. For items that you don't need every day, think seasonal clothing, holiday outfits, or keepsakes. Clear storage bins are your best friend. Get a few clear plastic bins that can sit on your top closet shelf. Take a deep breath and visualize it. You open your closet tomorrow morning and everything is where it should be. Your favorite outfit is ready, your accessories are within reach, and you feel calm, focused, and ready to own your day. This isn't just about cleaning, it's about building a peaceful routine that fuels your life. You're not just decluttering clothes, you're decluttering stress. Next steps. Download your free Peaceful Morning Closet checklist link in the description. Check out the links for the tools mentioned. They're game changers. And finally, if you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a tip. Watch our previous video on Sunday cleaning routine to stay ahead all week to keep your organizing momentum going. Let's bring peace back into your mornings, one closet at a time.